Handmade team sign. Love it. Got banners up and everything now. All set. Ready, team? Ready?
Ready.
Morning. All good? So each team in each garage here, boarding is going up. Local stations. Fit like a glove, Mitch. So it is day 2 in India and all teams finishing off last parts of the seats and tests and boarding in the garages before going out for a test day today. This is our team, Bangalore Speedsters, as it's called. So the way it functions is there are 5 teams and each team has its own owner, which is funded within India from different cities, and then we travel to different cities and race. So we're going from here in Chennai to Hyderabad for the next one. All colour coordinated, so it makes it nice and obvious. Blue, red, yellow, and as I mentioned yesterday, you've got an international driver, a female driver, an international Indian who races abroad, and then a local kind of grassroots Indian who races in karting locally or local championships here in India. The rain hasn't come yet, which is amazing, so we've got some PR and media duties to do this morning. Then we're going to head out on track and see what these Wolf Thunder cars are like. They're effectively a single-seater, 375 kg with 220 horsepower, so the power to weight is, you guys can calculate for me that, or we'll put it under here. I think it's about 800 odd, so it's going to be pretty serious on track. And just final touches going on. So I am sharing one car, and then the other car gets shared between the local Indian driver and the female driver, which in our category is Bianca, who races in W Series, so she's got some experience as well. So hopefully we can get some good points. That's a lot of GoPros. That's a lot. Won't be able to miss anything with them. So John, you're in which team?
Leeds United team.
Leeds United team, as you can see from the top.
Chennai Turbo Riders.
So we can feel the rain literally coming in now. So you've had your seat fit, you're all done, you're settled.
We're good to go.
Good to go, ready.
In my head, I'm ready to go.
Waiting for the dark clouds to come in. So John's got a good chance to win the championship because you're with Vishnu, who was my teammate in 2019.
It's all about
It's all about Vishnu. You're quick as well, you're all right. And you've been to India before, right? You did the MRF series, was it?
MRF 10 years ago.
10 years ago you were last in India?
I was only about 5 when I came and did that.
Right, oh, of course, yeah. So my team has got 3 17-year-olds in it, and then me, who's 19, so I feel really old.
Sequence through the chicane of turn 6 and 7 and a quick dump of the brakes for turn 8. Turn 10 quickly approaches with the left hander that opens up.
So all the team race suits. Found my one. Sweet. Studying?
Don't copy us.
No, we're on the same team.
Oh. We're watching Gilbert. What's his name?
Jordan.
Jordan. Yeah.
He's quick. Oh, look at that sexy man. He's in every single video. John was talking earlier about how much cars will be worth in India with the import tax, similar to when you get a car in like Japan. So that is a very, very special car. Now that is one cool reversing sound. I put that on my car in the UK. Yeah, so that is a pretty special car. Look at the number plate there. A pretty special car to have here in India to be roaming through the streets in. Okay, so ignition up, and then. Okay, so you press it just once for pit lane limiter. Does it come up anywhere?
No, this is okay.
Does it not say pit limiter anywhere when it
No,
turns on?
you have the, but it's not
Only
running.
when it's running?
Yeah.
Okay. And then now you would just sit in, clutch down and press and hold start?
If you hold, change the page.
Okay. And then Jordan, we'll get you on the vlog then. So introduce yourself, what you've been doing.
No, I'm Jordan. I race in the UK. This is all a bit new, but
For everyone.
we'll see how it goes. No idea, but
Well, look, the sun's out and it's not pouring down with rain like it's meant to.
yeah, if it's anything like the track walk, then it'll be interesting.
So this guy is ridiculously quick on track and off him. And you are in Godspeed. So we are next to each other, but also enemies. So. Ready, new suit. Car is coming back in. My turn to head out. Let's go see what these cars are like. Right, go on, you got to show me it.
Picture.
Look at
He's a
that.
creative director.
Look at that.
Team photo. Look at that. Boom. See, told you guys. So we've had a power cut during lunch break. Got no power. Trying to go Italian so I don't get a tummy bug. Yep, so it's come. It's arrived. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now for the media. These headshots are for going onto the TV and for the camera stuff, so let's go. That was a long journey, but we are back in civilization at the airport. We drove through about 2-3 hours of chaotic traffic to get here, but straight back onto a plane, back to Dubai and to join the guys at Gumball. So checked in, got my boarding pass, hand luggage only, somehow managed to fit in this, which everyone was always amazed by, my helmet, hands device, suit, boots, gloves, all my casuals. So yeah, ready to get back to Dubai. I'm not going to land till 1 AM. Can already see it in my eyes. Knackered. Going to get home, land, see the family in the morning, and then I've got half a day spare, which I'm going to have to use to reprocess my visa to get back into India for this weekend for the street circuit at Hyderabad. And in between there, I've got 3 days of Gumball and a track day, and also some shakedowns for Golf Historic on the track. So it is absolutely back to back, but loving it and can't complain. So until tomorrow.